Spooky season kicks off with Halloween donuts, so let's dive in.
Flour,
Cocoa powder,
Florida crystal,
granulated sugar,
baking soda, baking powder, salt, applesauce, almond milk, melted coconut oil, vanilla extract. Now, mix it all! Prepare the donuts. I love the donut maker. It's so creepy.
3 or 4 minutes later.
Abracadabra. Let them cool. Glaze. Vanilla crystal powder, sugar, cocoa powder, coconut milk, vanilla blood extract, or just vanilla, whatever. Mix it all. Bake this if you dare. Let's make spooky chocolate donuts.
Why didn't the skeleton go to the Halloween party? Because he had nobody to go with.
Don't forget to subscribe for more vegan recipes on our channel, Bunnie Cakes. Subscribe!
Yes, I wish you a creepy Halloween. Sorry.
Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.